Running boiler repair under IBR norms. By Prawin Engineering. Never repair under steam. First, isolate the boiler, reduce pressure, and allow it to cool safely. Inform the State Directorate of Boilers immediately. Contact the circle or district inspector of your factory's area. Repairs can only be done by IBR-approved repairers holding valid certificates. Prepare a repair method statement and submit it to the inspector for approval before work starts. Repairs must be done as per WPS welding procedure specification by qualified welders. NDT, non-destructive testing must be performed for weld quality. Conduct hydro or leak tests as per inspector's direction. Clearance is given only after successful results. Each state has circle/district boiler inspectors. Contact the inspector responsible for your factory's district. Restart the boiler only after official clearance. Monitor pressure, temperature, and water quality carefully. Only after the inspector of boilers grants clearance, the restart process can begin. Operators carefully check gauges, valves, and safety systems before ignition. The boiler is ignited, and steam builds up gradually under close observation. Operators monitor the pressure and temperature until the boiler reaches a safe and stable condition. With the inspector's clearance and successful monitoring, the boiler is now back to safe, stable, and efficient operation. In Tamil Nadu, the Directorate of Boilers functions from Chennai. The state is divided into 3 circles, north at Chennai, central at Trichy, and south at Madurai. For example, if your factory is in Trichy, you come under the Central Circle office. Always contact your district inspector for repair permissions. If any sudden defect occurs, isolate the boiler at once and inform your inspector immediately. This guide is presented by Prawin Engineering. For reliable boiler erection, repair and IBR compliance, contact us today. For IBR-compliant boiler repairs, trust Prawin Engineering, safe, reliable, and certified. Follow, comment and support us on social media. Prawin Engineering. Authorized dealer of SR Energy Equipments, Trichy. Government-approved IBR steam boilers repairer and erector. Member of Indian Boiler Repairers Association. S.F. No. 274 OPPTO Chanakrai Plant, Chi in Thodam, Kapandam Palyam, Virapundi P.O., Tirupur 641605, Tamil Nadu, South India. Admin, 9655009645, WhatsApp. Office, 9443525280. Thank you for your support.